Hey everyone, and welcome back to a simple quick tutorial. Today we are learning how to blur edges of a photo in Photoshop. So let's head on over to Photoshop. Now what I'm going to do, we have this nice image of my friend Vaughn doing a backflip. And what we're going to do is I'm going to press Ctrl A. And you know what, before I do that, I'm going to unselect this, the lock button on there, and then press Ctrl A, and then go up to Select, Modify, and Contract. Now what this will do is this will actually, if you see the selection there, you can contract it. And now I'm going to use 100 pixels. This is kind of dependent on your image. I know this is probably like a standard, probably a 300 by 200, 3000 by 200 image. So I'm going to do that real quick. And then I'm going to go to Select, Modify, and then Feather. And then with the feather radius, I'm going to set this to 100 pixels, and this will feather out and kind of blur the background. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to the layer mask and select it. And there you go, you have your photo edges blurred. And so what I just did there was Command T, and I'm going to press Alt or Option and Shift and bring that down just so that you can kind of see the edges a little bit more. And we're going to go in here, and I'm going to just show you. I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to use a pinkish color. I'm going to bring this fill down, and you can see it's blurred. So that's how you blur an image, the edges of an image in Photoshop. Don't forget to leave a like and check out other videos on this channel for some other Photoshop content.